And they're off and racing for the Republic Cup. Losing about 3 at the start there was the Big Bull. But as they settle down to race, they're going at a decent clip with the bottom-weighted Cadman now hitting the front by about 3.5, 4 lengths, separating him from Torino in second. A length away in third there, Romantic Magic in the gold cap. A length behind Romantic Magic then we've got Mystic Romance. Just tucked in there is Adrestia. Behind Adrestia, the pace slowing down considerably is Heirloom. Length behind Heirloom then we've got Stevalina. 4 lengths away to Zephyr and 6 lengths away to the Big Bull in the rear. They go past the 1400-meter marker, and Cadman in a start-to-finish mission by about 5 lengths now, separating him from Torino in second place. In third position there, making a bit of a forward move, comes Mystic Romance. Just behind them there, Romantic Magic. Heirloom moves up on the outside to keep him company. 2.5 away then, we drop back there to Adrestia and the red cap. Stevalina up on the outside. 2.5 behind Stevalina, then comes Zephyr and the Big Bull with him as well. The field not too farly spaced as they go past the 800-meter marker, with Cadman just the leader by about 2 lengths now from Torino. Mystic Romance is foiling him up on the outside. A length and a half away there, Romantic Magic tucked in along the inside railings. A length behind Romantic Magic then comes Adrestia. Stevalina up on the outside. Heirloom is there with this group. A length and a half away, the Big Bull, who's made a bit of improvement, and Zephyr has now lost space to be last. They're beginning to negotiate the turn now. Cadman has a very useful lead there of about 2.5, 3 lengths from Torino, continuing to be in second. Then we've got Mystic Romance, followed there by Heirloom and Romantic Magic. But Cadman has kicked away nicely by about 1.5, 2 lengths from Stevalina. Then comes Torino, but they're all in hopeless chase. The Republic Cup is all over. Cadman canters home to win the Republic Cup in great style from Stevalina. Torino, then came Romantic Magic, Heirloom, followed there by Adrestia and Zephyr.